Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Jira and ClickUp. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new issue is made in Jira, it will automatically create a task in ClickUp. Now Jira is an awesome issue tracking software and ClickUp is a project management tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Jira to ClickUp. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Jira and ClickUp. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Jira and ClickUp. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Jira to ClickUp. Jira to ClickUp. Then click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Jira? Okay, so there are two choices here, Jira software no trigger and Jira software with triggers. Of course, we want this one, Jira software with triggers. So we selected it. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new issue? Okay, so new issue is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new issue is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more trigger events like new issue, issue updated, command deleted, issue deleted, sprint created. All of them are basically a bunch of trigger events. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new issue is made in Jira software. Okay, so just click on connect with Jira software. So in the new credentials, we have two blanks to fill, the email and the API token. Of course, we know what is our email. So this is basically the email with which we have registered our Jira software. Mine is this one, admin@pabbly.com. Okay, so now we have to get the API token. So to get the API token, let's have a visit to our Jira account. Okay, so this is my Jira account. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the profile. Here you will find the option called as account settings. Open this in a new tab. Okay, excellent. So here you will find the option called as security. Click this. Now scroll down and here you will find the option called as API token. And underneath you will find the link called as create and manage API token. Click this. Okay, so this is the API tokens page. So we have to create an API token. As you can see, I already have created 4 API tokens. For your consideration, I am just going to create one more. So I am just clicking on create API token. So we are going to give a name to this API token. Since we are integrating it with the ClickUp, I'm going to give it as ClickUp. Okay, so of course you can give any name according to your discretion. I'm just giving it as ClickUp, that's all. Okay, so let's click on create. Okay, so API token has been created. Remove the privacy and copy this. So the API token has been copied. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the email and also we have entered the API token. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, the webhook URL and a set of blanks will appear in front of you. Okay, so the basic idea is that we are going to integrate one particular project with Pabbly Connect. For example, we have the domain. So basically we have to enter the domain with which we want to connect with. My domain is this one, that is Pabbly. So basically all you have to do is copy this. Basically the characters in between HTTP and .Atlassian. Okay, so basically all those characters in between HTTP and Atlassian is your domain. So I have copied my domain and I have simply pasted it here. Okay, so we have to give a name to this webhook URL. I'm going to give a simple name like spot3. Okay, nothing in particular, just a random name that is coming to my head. Okay, so now we have this JQL filter. Okay, so your obvious question is, what is a JQL filter? So the JQL stands for Jira Query Language and is the most powerful and the flexible way to search for your issues in Jira. Okay, so for example, I'm just basically copying this. Okay, so the idea is that project is equal to system admin. Okay, I'm basically copying this, you will understand in a minute. So the idea is that the JQL filter will filter for this project. Project is equal to system admin. So let me show you my Jira account, and we have three projects. So these are the three projects I have: Pabbly Connect project, Pabbly 2, and bug tracking. For instance, I want to connect with this particular project, that is bug tracking. So I have selected this, and basically I'm going to copy this name, that is bug tracking, and I'm going to remove this part. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, so basically the idea is that Pabbly Connect is going to integrate with this particular domain, that is Pabbly, and it is going to integrate with this particular project called as bug tracking. Okay, so all you have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that we have integrated Pabbly Connect to this particular project. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create an issue in this particular project, and since Pabbly Connect is connected with this particular project, it has to capture the data when a new issue is created. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, let me scroll down and click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let me create an issue. I'm going to create an issue. Okay, so the project is of course bug tracking, and the issue I'm going to keep it as improvement. Okay, let's keep it as bug only. Okay, the summary is bug in JavaScript. Okay, and the description is programmer messed up. Okay, so a summary has been created, bug in JavaScript, and the description is programmer messed it up. Okay, basically anything random stuff that is popping in my head, that's all. Okay, so I'm just going to click on create. Okay, so issue called as bug in JavaScript has been created, and the issue is BT14. Excellent. So since Pabbly Connect is integrated with this particular project in Jira, let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this issue or not. So let me go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, as you can see, the data has been captured. So let us see the title. So where is our title? Okay, so first of all, let me see what was the name. Okay, so the issue key is BT14. Excellent. And the name is bug tracking. Okay, that is not the one we are looking for. So let me scroll down. Okay, so this is the description, programmer messed it up, and this is the summary, bug in JavaScript. So basically this will be the title or the task title for the ClickUp. Okay, so basically we have got all the data to create a task in ClickUp. Excellent. Now we have to sync all this detail to ClickUp. So to do that, all you have to do is scroll down and click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as ClickUp, because we want to sync all this data to ClickUp. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as create a task. Okay, so basically create a task is an action event. Similarly, just like the triggers, we have a ton of action events like create checklist, create subtask, update task, create folder, create list. All of them are a bunch of action event. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a task in ClickUp. Okay, so just click on connect with ClickUp. Now in the new credentials, we have to fill in the API token. So to get the API token, let's have a visit to our ClickUp account. Okay, so this is my ClickUp account. at the left bottom, you will find the option profile. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, we have a workspace called as Ashi's workspace. Here, just click on apps. Okay, so this is your API token. Simply copy this and paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the API token. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a task in ClickUp from the data that we have received from Jira via Pabbly Connect. But before we sink in the details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so in the workspace, it is showing it as Ashi's workspace. So let's have a look. So let me go back, and so as you can see, there is only one workspace called as Ashi's workspace. So basically I'm going to create a task in this particular workspace. Now in the space, it is showing it as Pabbly. So let's have a look. So as you can see in spaces, we have 4 spaces, that is Pabbly, DLFG, Junk and Space. Since ClickUp is integrated with Pabbly Connect, any variation that is bought here will be reflected here. So what I'm trying to say is that all these spaces will be reflected in Pabbly Connect. So let me expand this. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the spaces, Pabbly, DLFG, Junk and Space. Okay, so I want to create a task in this particular space. Now in the space called as Pabbly, there is a folder called as integrations. So let's have a look. So this is the space I'm selecting, and as you can see, we have a folder called as integrations. Okay, so there is only one folder. Okay, so now in the folder called as integration, there is a ton of list. So these are the lists I have: list 2, integration, Calendly invites, GitHub issues, list 3, list 4, list 1, list 5. Okay, so how about we create one more list? So I'm going to create a list. Okay, so the name of the list is list 6. I'm just going to click on apply. Okay, a list called as list 6 has been created. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this list. Okay, so the blank called as list name has been refreshed. So since Pabbly Connect is integrated with ClickUp, you can expect to find list 6 in this one of the drop down. Okay, so as you can see, oh yes, we have a list called as list 6. So basically what I'm trying to say is that any variation that is bought here will be reflected here because ClickUp is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to create a task in this particular workspace called as Ashi's workspace, and the space I'm going to take is Pabbly. The folder name I will be using is integration, and the list name will be list 6. Okay, so now we are going to give a task name. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this and we are going to map in the name of the task that we have created in Jira. So the Jira, we have created something like the subject. So the subject was bug in JavaScript. Okay, so we have assigned the task name as bug in JavaScript. Similarly, we have the description, something like the programmer messed it up or something. What it was. Programmer messed it up. Okay, so this is the description. Now I'm keeping the assignee email as Ashi. We can have a ton of assignee emails, but at present I'm just keeping it as Ashi. And in the tags, I'm just going to enter a pair of double quotes. Inside the pair of double quotes, I'm just going to type it as Jira because our source of data is Jira. Now the priority, I'm keeping it as high. No particular reason. Okay, so now we have two important things: the due date as well as the start date. Now the data we received from Jira doesn't have any data regarding the due date or the start date. So that is why I'm just going to copy this code called as skip and simply paste it here. Okay, similarly for the start date, I'm just going to paste the skip code also here. Okay, so in the status, let's keep it as to do. Okay, so all we have to do at this point to create a task is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to ClickUp. So let's have a look in ClickUp whether a task has been created in the list 6. So let me refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, a task called as bug in JavaScript has been created. Excellent. So the presence of this task shows that we have successfully integrated Jira to ClickUp with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize my action window, and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Jira to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to ClickUp. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Jira and ClickUp. Excellent. So we are going to create one more issue. Okay, so the issue name is bug in C. Okay, programmer is stupid. Okay, so we have just created a random description. Just click on create. Okay, so a issue called as bug in C has been created. So let's have a look and click up whether we have a task. So let me refresh this. Okay, so yes, we have a new task called as bug in C. Excellent. So this means our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new issue is created in Jira, it will be reflected as a task in ClickUp.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.